Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus NX key battery. First, identify which type of key fob you have, as there are a few variations. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver, which will help you open the casing. Finally, make sure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery ready for replacement. Having these items prepared makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the release button and sliding out the mechanical key. This reveals a small notch or slot. Insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this notch. With gentle pressure, twist the screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note which side, usually the positive side, is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. This is crucial for proper function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.